people sometimes do need to see to learn the story, to see what's going on. The developed world, led by the US, Europe, and other countries, is dumping thousands of tons of e-waste to China, India, and Nigeria every day. Computers, TVs, mobile phones, printers, and all the accessories. We don't think about what happens after the products become obsolete. So I was thinking, wow, if I can get some really cool image about how people are dealing with e-waste in China in very poor communities in a very primitive way, and it's very polluting, it's very environmentally dangerous, and then put up a website and get some people to talk about it, that would be really cool. I was talking to UC Berkeley about how the university is disposing of the computers, where it's shipping the computers and other electronics to, and where they dismantle the machines. The US does not have the capacity to really recycle because it's very toxic. You can see from the world map, the e-waste is going from the US to Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Shenzhen, Guangzhou even, because those are the transit points of e-waste traffic. When you click the button here, Guiyu Town, you go to the Guiyu Park. It's basically China's e-waste epicenter. It's getting shiploads of electronic waste from US, Japan, and other countries on a daily basis. You can see all the trucks coming by in town. It's very nasty. 80% of the whole town is revolved around e-waste industry. There are people dealing with e-waste. They buy and then they resell to other lower-end dealers, and they're mostly migrant families who really deal with the e-waste at the front line because they are the people who need the jobs most. They do not wear masks. You're seeing these people having no protection and dealing with all these toxic chemicals, trying to get a tiny bit of gold out of the circuit boards, and they swish around the circuit boards in the buckets with industrial acids so that they can melt down the metal skins. It's very choking. I stood there for a couple of minutes. It got my eyes burned, and I wanted to stay more, but I just couldn't. They dump everything into the river, so some water along the river have just become pitch black, like coal or soy sauce. It's impossible to really clean it up. That's the economy of the town. If you're going to clean up, the town is going to be over with. All the industrialized countries have signed what we call the Basel Convention, which is a treaty to ban the transboundary movements of e-waste, especially from first world countries to the third world countries. The US has been the only country where many say it's legal to export. If we are really going to solve the problem, we got to start with manufacturing industry. Apple, Dell, HP, and all the major computer makers. Their proposal is to reduce or eliminate the highly toxic materials used in the manufacturing in the first place. I have the companies and what their positions are, and the governments. There are two actually really good solutions. Drop-off events organized by local governments. This is one at Alameda City in California. Here actually is a better solution where people donate machines. This is what UC Berkeley donated to an elementary school in northern part of the East Bay area. As the life cycle of electronics is getting shorter and people are more enthusiastic about buying new gadgets like iPhones, iPods, whatever, the problem is going to be never end. This problem is going to keep going on and on.